Hey everybody, just want to do a quick video. I was just driving around to my local nurseries, see if they have anything good in stock today, and lo and behold, I found a Thompson Pink Grapefruit. I don't personally eat grapefruits, but I decided to get the tree just to go ahead and I'm going to show you guys how this looks. Here she is. She's loaded with some blooms so far. What was even more of a surprise to me personally is where it came from. You know, a good bit of all my citrus trees are from McKenzie Farms. And the nursery around the corner from me just happened to have went there. He said the other day I just wanted to grab some of his trees and set them out at his nursery to do a test run to see how good they would sell. So I guess they're selling pretty good, to the fact that he said he's going to continue to go down there and get more. So that's always a good thing for me. This is the Marsh Pink Grapefruit, aka the Thompson Pink Grapefruit. A new one added to the collection. You know, looking forward to seeing how she grows. This will be a tree I just used to. I know some of my family members eat grapefruits, so this would just be something I give to them, or just an extra fruit I can use to barter with in times of crisis and stuff. But regardless, here's a new citrus tree to the collection. So that'll be all for this video, folks. Just want to thank you for watching another video. Just want to say everybody stay blessed, and with everything going on, stay safe, stay positive, and protect yourselves. I'm out. See you around for the next one.